Good morning, children. Problems based on the division algorithm we are going to do today. If two zeros of p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus or minus root 3, find the other zeros. So already two zeros are given. We should find the other two zeros only. So let us see. So what we should write here first, p of x. P of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Now what is the next step? 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are the zeros of p of x. That means x minus 2 minus root 3. X minus 2 plus root 3 are the factors. So how we can simplify x minus 2 minus root 3 means, here if you compare these two brackets, the first part is same. So we can take this as a single term. So x minus 2, we can take it as a single term. Then other term, if it is in the place of a, this is minus b and this is plus b, right? So x minus 2 whole square, it is a minus b and it is a plus b. A is for x minus 2, right? A minus b, a plus b. So it is a square, x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 square. That means x square minus, what is the middle term here? 4x plus 4 minus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay. So what is the next step? It should be divided with this factor p of x. So I'll write p of x here. X raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So x square minus 4x plus 1 only. So what is the first term? X raised to 4 by x square. It is x square again. So x square will write here, multiply x square into x square, x raised to 4, then x square into minus 4x, that is minus 4x cube, then plus x square. Change your sign. Minus became plus, plus became minus. So minus 6 and plus 4, what is the answer? Minus 2x cube. Again 26x square is also minus, x square also minus, so minus 27x square plus 138x. So 138x we got, and now what is the next term? 2x cube divided by x square. So what is the answer? 2x cube with the minus sign divided with the x square. So x square and x square we can cancel, so 1x is remaining with a minus 2 coefficient. So minus 2x I got, again multiplication, minus 2x cube plus 2x into 4x 8 only, so minus into minus plus, so plus 8x square, then minus 2x. Change of sign, always the first term to be cancelled. So here also change of sign, then minus 35x square. Here also change of sign, so 140x. What is the next term? Minus 35. So 35x square by x square, it is minus 35 only. So I'll write directly here minus 35 and multiply minus 35x square. Minus 35 into minus 4. So it is equal to 140 with the positive sign. So 140x only minus 35 into 1 minus 35. So what is the remainder? Remainder we got as a 0 only. So now what is the next step? We have to find the other zeros only. So as usual division algorithm we should use P of x equal to divisor x square minus 4x plus 1, that is g of x, into quotient q of x, that is q of x, x square minus 2x minus 3. Then what is the remainder? Remainder is 0, because since it is a factor only, x square minus 4x plus 1, so we will get definitely the remainder is 0 only. X square minus 4x plus 1 already given in the question, so the zeros are, we can write as a x 2 plus root 3 and a 2 minus root 3. What is remaining there? Another 2 more we required. That can be done with the factorization from the second bracket. Okay. So what I will do means I will continue this x square minus 4x plus 1 for one more line. Then the product is minus 35. Sum is 2 only. So 7 and 5 I had taken. This is minus and it is plus. So x square minus 7x minus 2x minus 35. So this I can write as a x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 square. Directly we can write the answer there. Now what is common here? X into x minus 7. See, it is 5x only. So minus 5 is common. So x. See, this is plus 5x, so plus 5 is common, x minus 7 only. So x minus 2 minus root 3 and x minus 2 plus root 3 are the two factors for this bracket. Now here what is common? X minus 7 and then x plus 5. See, already 2 zeros are given, other zeros only they have asked. Still what I suggest means you write all the zeros. So the zeros are 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3, then 7 and minus 5. What must be subtracted from the polynomial 8x raised to 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8, so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 4x square plus 3x minus 2. So what we should find out means what is extra, because it should be subtracted. That means we should find what is the remainder in the case when p of x is divided by the given g of x. So long division method only we should do here. So what is the idea for this question means dividend equal to, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is extra here? Remainder. So from dividend we should subtract remainder, then what we will get? A divisor into quotient. If they are expressed as a product of two factors, then each one of them is called as a factors only. So that means a complete division is possible after subtracting the remainder. Let us do the division now. So let me take down what is p of x in the question. P of x equal to 8x raised to 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8. Now what is g of x? G of x equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 2. So now we have to go for the long division method. So I'll write here 8x raised to 4 plus 14x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 8. All the terms you can check descending order only. X raised to 4, x raised to 3, x square, x raised to 1, then constant. It is to be divided with which number, sorry, which polynomial? 4x square plus 3x minus 2. So what is the first term? 8x raised to 4 divided by 4x square. So it is 2x raised to 2 only. So after multiplication, 3 into 2, 6x cube minus 4x square. Change of sign and subtraction. 14 minus 6, that is 8x cube, minus 2 plus 4 plus 2x square, 7x. So what is 8x cube by 4x square? X square will get cancelled. 1x square is there, 4 into 2, that is 8 only. So what will write here? 2x. Multiplication. Now it is very clear to you what are the terms, I am not explaining. So 2x square minus 6, that is minus 4x square plus 11x. So 4x square minus divided with 4 square, naturally it is equal to minus 1 only. So minus 1 minus 4x square. Forgot to take down the next term, minus 8 only. Minus 4x square minus 3x, then plus 2. Plus means it is 14x. Again minus 10. So what is the remainder? We got a remainder equal to 14x by the quotient equal to So the question is what is to be subtracted. So the remainder is to be subtracted. So remainder 14x minus 10 to be subtracted. What must be added to p of x equal to 4x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1, so that the resulting polynomial is divisible by g of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. So division algorithm we should think here. So our normal division algorithm is what? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in terms of polynomial, p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Now if we are bringing to this side, what will happen? P of x minus r of x equal to g of x into q of x. But the question is asked that what must be added. This is subtracted only. So what we should do? P of x plus minus r of x. Right hand side no change, g of x into q of x only. That means whatever answers we are getting for the remainder, change of sign should be taken. So here what is to be added means minus change of sign of remainder should be added. Now let us take down what is p of x. P of x equal to 4x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. What is g of x? X square plus 2x minus 3. Now by long division method only we have to go. We have done 2-3 sums now. The same procedure only we should write p of x, then do the division. So 4x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. All the terms check. X raised to 4 is there, x raised to 3 is there, x square is there, x and 1. So all the are in standard form only. Here what is to be written? X square plus 2x minus 3. So what is the first term? 4x raised to 4 by x square. So I'll write here 4x square. Multiply the terms. 4x square into x square, 4x raised to 4. 4 into 2 plus 8, x cube minus 12 x square. Minus 6x cube will come, plus will come. So plus 10 x square. What is the next term? X to be taken down. So minus 6x cube by x square only. So it is minus 6x. Now we should multiply with the minus 6x now. So minus 6x into x square minus 6x cube minus into plus minus only 6 into 2 12 x square minus 6x and minus 3, so plus 18x. (22x square) minus 17x. What is the next term? Minus 1. Now 22x square by x square only. So what is the answer we will get here? Plus 22. Multiply now. (22 into 2) it is 44x. Minus 66. Here plus becomes minus. 44 plus 7 51 plus 10 61x will get. This will be so plus 65. So what we got here, the remainder as minus 61x plus 65. So the question we already discussed, what must be added. What must be added means what I should do, we should take the change of sign. So we will write here r of x equal to minus 61x plus 65. So we should add minus r of x. That means what is the change sign? 61x minus 65 to p of x. So that what is the meaning? When we add this, the resulting polynomial, same as in the question, will complete. So that is divisible by g of x. So some questions we have done all based on the division algorithm only. So when we are subtracted, what must be subtracted means directly we can write the remainder, but here what must be added is asked, so change of sign must be applied. So 61x in the remainder it was minus, so adding cases it is plus, plus became minus. So with this today's video I am winding up. Thank you.